Alright, I have set the clay that I used to make the molds of the spur gears into a tray of water, and they have finally released, so I get to kind of see, you're going to get to see with me, what I've ended up creating, if anything. There's something that resembles a gear in there. Let me actually get a shot for you. Come on now. Oh, yeah, good job. Stick a muddy thing on the... I don't know. That's the biggest one. And then I made 2 of the mid-size. See if I can actually get it to clean up a little bit better for you. Wow. I'm actually a little bit more excited now. I was really paranoid that this was not going to work. Hopefully I can get these released from the shafts too. That's the other concern I have at the moment. Alright, the little ones. I don't know. Alright, so having failed horribly with the JV weld gears, they came out pretty darn well. Few minor mistakes cost me a good working part, but anyways, I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. The first gear is metal. The second gear is a white durlin gear out of off a pinion gear off a cheap RC, and I'm still running the stock bottom gear. Now, the metal gear has that extra bit on the top, so I have to run it without the bearing in it, unfortunately. But for a quick fix for now, everything seems to run fine. Everything closes up fine. So I'll have to see how that holds up.